Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create password protect pages on your Shopify store. I'm gonna show you step by step, so make sure you watch this video until the end. So the app we're gonna use is Semi B2B Lock Password Protect. It's free and there are a lot of features. So yeah, so let's get started. First, you can open your Shopify dashboard and then go to your settings in the bottom left corner here, and then you can go to your apps and sales channels here, and then click Shopify App Store. And then in the search box, you can search Semi B2B Log, and you will find this app, Semi B2B Log Password Protect. You can just click it, and then you can scroll and you can just click install here. And then if you are agree with this, you can just click install here. And in this page, you can just click continue as free. If you want to buy it, it's up to you. Can just click continue as free here, then click again continue as free. After that, you have to integrate the theme, so you can go to app status and click integrate theme, and then choose the theme and just click enable here and make sure it activated, and then you can just click save here, and then you can go back to your store and then go back to the page and click create log here. And then in this page, for the name, you can just type whatever you want. I will just choose page log. And then for the content to log, you can change it, and then choose specific page. But you can choose another option, the whole website, specific products, and others. For this video, I'm gonna use this specific page, and then click create log. And then for the content to log, I will choose contact. And then for the select who can access the content, you can choose visitors with passcode. Then you can type the passcode. Let's say I will just 123456. Then add passcode. And for the grant access for 1 hour and the passcode message, I will just type the passcode to access. And for this, I will just leave it by default and then just click save. So let's try to open my Shopify store and go to contact page here. And then as you can see, the page is locked. So we have to input the passcode. Let's try 123. And as you can see, it's not correct because the correct one is 12345. Oops, I mean 123456. I forget. So let's try 12345 6, and as you can see, it works. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.